Every morning, the office comes alive with people greeting each other, discussing tasks, and preparing for the day ahead. Speaking English confidently in the office does not have to be difficult. It starts with simple greetings and polite conversations. When you arrive, friendly, "Good morning. How are you today?" can set positive tone for the day. Even a simple smile while saying hello, "Hope you are doing well," makes your words more effective. Colleagues appreciate small gestures of politeness, and this helps in building good working relationship. Listening carefully to their responses and replying with, "I am fine, thank you. How about you?" or "I am good. Let's have a productive day," makes the conversation smooth and friendly. After greetings, the next step is usually discussing tasks and planning the day. Clear communication is important to avoid misunderstandings. You might start by asking a colleague if they have time to discuss today's tasks or seeking help politely with report. For instance, saying, "Can you help me with this report?" or "I need some clarification on the project," is simple and professional. Sometimes, you might suggest brief meeting, such as, "Let's have a quick meeting to review our progress." These conversations, though short, are important for teamwork. Practicing them aloud helps you gain confidence and improves your English gradually. A polite and professional tone goes a long way in showing respect and readiness to cooperate. Apart from work discussions, small talk plays an essential role in daily office life. During coffee breaks or informal moments, talking about light topics creates friendly environment. You can ask, "How was your weekend?" or "Did you watch the match last night?" Simple questions like these help you connect with your colleagues. Sharing small experiences, like trying a new cafe or commenting on the weather, makes conversations natural. It is equally important to listen actively and respond politely. Small talk is not just about casual conversation, it helps in building rapport and trust with people you work with, which is valuable for a collaborative office environment. There are moments when asking for help is necessary, and using polite English makes the request effective. If you face difficulty with a task, saying, "Could you please explain this part to me?" or "I am having trouble with this task. Can you guide me?" shows professionalism and respect. When someone helps you, always respond with gratitude, such as, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." These small acts of courtesy create a positive atmosphere in the office. Asking for help is normal, but doing it politely demonstrates good manners and effective communication skills. Emails and messages are another key part of office communication. Writing clearly in English ensures that your message is understood. Simple sentences such as, "Please find the attached report for your review," or "I am following up on my previous message regarding the project," convey your point without confusion. Politeness in emails is important too, starting with a greeting and ending with "thank you" or "regards." For example, you could write, "Thank you for your email. I will check and reply soon," which shows attentiveness and professionalism. Practicing writing and reading such emails aloud improves both your writing and speaking skills. Ending conversations politely is equally important. Whether you are leaving discussion, finishing a call, or ending small chat, phrases like, "I have to get back to work now," "talk later," or Thank you for your time, are useful. Ending conversations respectfully shows that you value the other person's time and maintains a positive atmosphere. Even during brief interactions, using polite closing sentences leaves a good impression. Remembering to smile and maintain a friendly tone while ending the conversation reinforces your professionalism and approachability. Practice is the key to mastering office English. Imagine your day at work and try to speak aloud using the phrases you have learned. You might greet your colleagues in the morning, ask for help with the report, have a small chat during coffee break, and end the conversation politely before going back to your tasks. For instance, you could say, "Good morning. How are you today?" followed by, "Can you help me with the report for today's meeting?" and later add, "By the way, did you watch the cricket match last night?" Finally, before returning to work, you could say, "I have to get back to work now. Thanks again for your help. Have a good day." Practicing these dialogues in your mind and reading them aloud makes English feel natural and easy. In conclusion, starting your day with simple, polite, and confident English sets the tone for effective communication at work. From greetings to work discussions, small talk, asking for help, writing emails, and ending conversations politely, every interaction is an opportunity to improve your English. Daily practice, reading aloud, and imagining real office situations will gradually make your communication fluent and professional. Over time, using English in everyday office life will become natural, and you will notice that your confidence and relationships at work improve significantly.